Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ha kajingelang patay kubor kabala panlong hapo kajingelam jong Air Marshal AK Bharti halor kajingya chakmat jong Jingbitar kam ya Operation Sindur lapan Pyrshah baka India kam shimla le menti halor kajingja ki bakta ya shongsuk shongsngan ha kari Air Marshal uloong baka Jingbitar ni Pyrshah ya ke India anom la ban Pdiang bat ka sarkar ka don baro kilat kilinti bat ki bor ban thombor Pyrshah ya kinu ki jakale no jong Pakistan Ulo ang ruba ke India dak bakloy ba dak rukam penbet bha kala yo ban penjat ki jaka shong ling sun jong ki sipai ki command centers ki jaka yale jo ki sipai bat ki defense sectors habaro ka than chaneng ka bakan thop ru ya ka chaklala ha Islamabad lo ang ru ba ka jingpen shong nong rem jo ka te ka jingja ka dei halor ki jingtep bala yo lingba ki bor sipai bat ki tanat perking ki bala penshisha ya ka jingdon jo ki ketem le no ki ba huri hura na shabar panwan ra ka jingsniu hapo kari kani ka jingkran jong Air Marshal ka longkum ka dak basai ba ka India kam sham lakwa ya ka jingya khun hanrei kam la shu ban ngap jar haba ka jingya da ya kari bat ki pat ba ka long ka ba kong santam
A decision was taken to strike where it would hurt, and towards that in a swift, coordinated, calibrated attack, we struck his air bases, command centers, military infrastructure, air defense systems across the entire Western Front. The bases we struck include Chaklala, Rafiki, and mind you, Chaklala is Islamabad. Rahimyar Khan, Sakar, sending a clear message that aggression will not be tolerated. This was followed by strikes at Sargoda, Bholari, Jacobabad. We also struck the C2 centers at Murid, the UAE complex at Murid, Rafiki, radar at Chunia, which I will show you, Rahimyar Khan airfield, and the unmanned combat aerial vehicle hangar at Sakar. I would like to reiterate here that we have the capability to target every system at these bases and more.